There are 3 skills that really matter to someone who's new to the profession. First, you must have legal aptitude. Know the law. Be aware of how to use that knowledge practically. In a law firm, the pace of work is so hectic that hand-holding fresh associates may not always be possible. Therefore, if you can contribute from day one, you will be a huge asset to the firm. Second, you have to be willing to put in hard work. And third, your soft skills must be on point. Some of the most impressive lawyers that I worked with have possessed strong soft skills which allowed them to stand out in the profession. Being proactive is the elimination of problems before they appear, as against being reactive and responding to events after they have occurred. Proactive lawyers foresee problems and try to solve them, whereas reactive lawyers firefight issues. As a young lawyer, you can be proactive in many ways. You can seek feedback, take on billable and non-billable assignments, and even start building potential client relationships. However, while it is important to be proactive, one has to be mindful not to overreach or become intrusive.
In the fast-paced world of corporate law, tomorrow's legal leaders need to be more than just traditional expertise. Introducing the LLM in Corporate and Financial Law, a groundbreaking program brought to you by Jindal Global Law School in partnership with upGrad. Designed for the legal professionals of tomorrow, this innovative blended learning program combines academic rigor with real-world application. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to elevate your career with the LLM in Corporate and Financial Law.
People often think that the law has no space for creative thinking. Let me tell you, that notion is completely false. In the right hands, the law can be used with immense creativity to solve clients' problems in a unique way. Call it thinking outside the box, lateral thinking, or whatever else. Any lawyer can figure out what the law says, but only creative lawyers can find practical solutions for complex queries. This is not to say that lawyers should take the liberty of making outlandish business suggestions or write dramatic pieces of advice. Creativity needs to be exercised with caution. In the right proportions, it can work like a charm, but in the wrong quantity, it can ruin the work.